northeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northern Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jones to near Nuwala to near...
What the frick was all that? Like, it was... The first alert was just interrupted by another one, and then it just went off for a cancellation. What the frick? I think this storm might have caused errors in the operating system of the National Weather Service or something. Like, I think the storm might have caused issues with the office's alert system. Because, like, frequent lightning is occurring.
Okay, let's go back to the metro. Let's go back to our trackers and check in with Tom. And Tom, area circulation to your south, it has weakened. But I'll tell you what, Tom, it was pretty strong. Just about went over your house.
Oh, no.
And that was pretty strong circulation. Give us an update as you look to your right as you're going east.
Let's check the first alert.
Right now where we're at, the winds are blowing about 40 to 50 miles an hour. Got blinding rain, but luckily no hail.
The storm must have caused issues with the alert issuing system.
Okay.
Most likely.
All right. Great job there, Tom. So,
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Seminole County, southeastern Oklahoma County, Lincoln County, northeastern Cleveland County, and northern Pottawatomie County until 9:45 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., severe thunderstorm is located along a line extending from near Joneston, near Newalla, to near Norman, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Locations impacted: eastern Oklahoma City, Norman, Midwest City, Shawnee, Del City, Chandler, Choctaw, Harrah, McLeod, Spencer, Jones, Stroud, Tacoma Park, Prague, Pink, Luther, Meeker, Davenport, Wellston, and Johnson. Interstate 35 between mile markers 130 and 133. 40 between mile markers 156 and 199. 44 between mile markers 145 and 182. 240 between mile markers 11 and 16.